Welcome to Glamland and the world of Glam Glow.
Glam Glow was designed for backstage use in Hollywood's entertainment, music, fashion, and award industries. It's for behind the scenes, immediate camera glowing skin. And we're the only skincare company in the world who's based on the Stars Walk of Fame in Hollywood.
Glam Glow was born and created in Hollywood, so naturally, we are part of many award shows, red carpet events, and behind the scenes on many of the world's biggest and most famous TV shows and movies, helping talent to look their best on stage and on camera for hundreds of millions of viewers.
And through our celebrity friends, we knew there was a need for an instant result, high-end skincare product.
We created it because there was something missing in the marketplace.
They were looking for a product that could get their skin camera ready in 10 minutes, I think they said?
10 minutes or less.
So we created just that, a product for Hollywood, from Hollywood.
I trained some of the most experienced cosmetic experts in the world, and they love Glam Glow. They get their hands on it and they cannot believe the instant results that they get. There's no acids or enzymes at all in this product, so the intense tingle sensation that you're feeling is blood flow. You're feeling your skin come alive. The second you remove this mask, you are going to see the difference.
So we designed Glam Glow with a mud delivery system that can be used anywhere, anytime, while you're doing anything.
Glam Glow was designed as a 10-minute facial in a jar. It fits into anyone's skincare regime, giving your skin instant and accumulative results.
We took moisturizers, special anti-aging treatments, and mud masks, and recreated a new technology from the inside out.
We've made advances in skincare that are so significant and so far-reaching that I can't think of any other skincare product that has made and defined an entire category for the entertainment world.
And now we have an amazing performance called Teoxy, a patent-pending technology with real pieces of tea leaf in our product, providing mind-blowing results in just 10 minutes or less. Glam Glow is the world's first skincare company using Teoxy technology to deliver faster and better results.
Teoxy is a continuous time-release system of EGCG antioxidants and a super moisturizing squalene, delivered directly from the green tea leaf membrane in our mud. Every day, week, month, for the whole life of the jar. Glam Glow's Teoxy delivers constant renewal of the super high potency fresh ingredients direct from the source, never losing its efficacy. We spared no expense on the richest natural ingredients available in the world, such as obtaining our mud from the south of France, home to Saint-Tropez, Cannes, and Monaco. French Riviera Sea Mud is one of the richest muds in the world, making Glam Glow one of the most sought-after skincare products in the world. We chose this rare mud because of its amazing volcanic mineral properties. Their instant gratification effects on the skin. Glam Glow minimizes your pores by drawing out impurities, detoxifies the skin for any kind of hormonal acne issues, while relieving dark circles with the increase in circulation. No matter where you are in the world, Glam Glow speaks your language, and that's the Hello Sexy language. The natural pulverized pumice rock gives you a multi-level exfoliation that you control. So the choice is yours. Whether you are looking for a deep exfoliation or a gentle surface exfoliation, we've created a product that you can receive both in the same week. The skin complexion will be brightened, Ivy will tone, tighten, and lift your skin. Glam Glow is for all skin types. Super squalene will penetrate into the deepest layers of the skin, hydrating, balancing oil production, giving you a remarkable, healthy 3-day glow. From women to men, young to aging, oily to dry, sensitive to sun damage, rosacea to pregnancy, you name it. Glam Glow will be perfect for you and everyone you know.
This has been a jewel for me in my makeup kit. As a makeup artist, I'm always seeking and searching for new products. And when I got to try Glam Glow myself, I was sold. I was completely 100% sold. I put the mask on, 10 minutes later, I washed it off, and when I looked in the mirror, just my skin looked vibrant and fresh and clear. Glam Glow has revolutionized the way I apply makeup to my skin and the way I prep my client's skin for any event, any photo shoot, anything on set. It really helps to prime the skin before the makeup. their makeup goes on so much easier, so much smoother, the skin is brighter, and I have to use less product.
We never intended to sell it outside of the Hollywood entertainment world. It was just the studios. Unless you were a studio, you couldn't buy GlamGlow. So now we started to sell it to the world. And we started to sell it in Hollywood, in LA, and then California, and then the USA, and then Europe, and now we're literally in every continent on the planet. So GlamGlow's positioning has always been and always will be a Hollywood studio product. And now we're just opening up the rest of the world to what Hollywood's enjoying. We are as critical as anybody out there.
And we test every batch. Every batch that's made before it gets jarred comes to us to test and to approve.
We'll always be involved in the development. We'll always be involved in the designing and the packaging.
Imagine a fresh tea leaf. Imagine using its natural squalene, EGCG antioxidants, and polyphenols at 200 times the power of vitamin E. Imagine these leaves working their magic directly into a product. Now that's the magic of GlamGlow. New, patent-pending Teoxy technology steeps and radiates fresh ingredients directly from the tea leaf membrane into our GlamGlow. Every day, week, month for the life of the product. Our 10-minute facial in a jar is for men and women of all ages and all skin types. Here's how it works. Without rubbing, smoothly spread a thin layer of GlamGlow onto your skin. Enjoy a few minutes of intense tingling sensation before it deactivates itself. The more it tingles, the more it's working. Deep pollutions, toxins, and impurities are lifted out of the skin and trapped in the GlamGlow mud. Then, our Teoxy Youth Formula is delivered and absorbed deep into the skin, reawakening collagen synthesis for instant youthful results, helping to minimize pore size for high-definition soft skin, diminishing fine lines and wrinkles for smoother skin, evens out skin tone for any pigmentation issues for brighter, clear skin. GlamGlow will dry in 5 to 10 minutes. And the ivy within the GlamGlow will provide a skin tightening effect for hours after the mask is removed. Simply remove GlamGlow with water in light circular motions, or opt to use the nanovolcanic pumice rock as a multi-level microderm exfoliation. Enjoy your super sexy, super radiant skin. Welcome to Glamland and the world of GlamGlow.